Hey, Roger, Jen, Pat, good to see you again.
Good seeing you, Kevin.
Hey, Kevin.
So, Roger, your favorite quick fix is sod,
That's right.
Just gets the job done for us.
Yeah, but you got to remember, everyone promises to take care of the grass during the construction's going on. So much for that, everything gets trampled. And that's what's happened at our Jamestown project. So what we want to do is sod it.
Just have the sod roll out like the big green carpet. There's nothing better.
That's right.
Well, we've been rolling it out for years, thanks to you, Pat, although I have never been to the farm to see where it comes from. This place is massive.
This is a 526-acre farm, largest contiguous acre farm in Rhode Island.
Yep.
Before it was a sod farm, years it was growing potatoes here.
No kidding. So fertile ground beneath us?
Yes, 2-3 feet of loam in some spots.
Look at a smile on these guys' faces.
I get rocks, right?
Seriously.
All right, so good growing conditions, and now for sod primarily.
Yes. For 28 years, we were predominantly a bluegrass farm. Then we realized we had to change things, and we got into more environmentally friendly grasses, and we started growing Black Beauty in 2010, and now we're into this microclover Black Beauty for more environmental benefits.
It's a great selling point to be able to tell your customers that it's going to use less water, less pesticides.
So we've told that story before, the Black Beauty that you're talking about, that first iteration. How much less water?
That one took 30 to 50% less water and fertilizer. This grass, no fertilizer, no pesticides, minimal watering. We're in the middle of a hot season here.
That's
this field
what every client asks for these days.
But
every client.
Every landscaper wants some work. You still have to mow it.
Yeah.
Well, but I mean, how is that possible? We've been growing grass forever. We need water, we need fertilizer. Now you're telling us we don't need any of it? What's going on?
It's the microclover itself. It's a natural nitrogen fixation, so it gives the grass the nitrogen it needs to feed. It's drought tolerant, shade tolerant.
You can't ask for much more.
Right.
When you say microclover, though, I mean, we do have to appreciate the fact that it is not just a sea of blades of grass, that we've got clover in here, and quite a bit of clover right now.
Right. What had happened is, with the drought and whatnot, we find that the clover becomes more predominant. When we get more rain, the clover seems to recede a little bit. And you'll notice that it'll change over as the season changes. In the spring, you hardly see the clover. Come winter, you won't see it at all. It's all going down into the canopy.
There is a little education that goes along with this new type of seed, so you have to let people know that these aren't weeds, these are things we're growing here.
To me, that is the trick. You know, as I look out over this field, I think I'm looking at grass because I'm programmed. It's green, it's consistent, it's a monoculture. I don't even see the clover from a distance.
No, you don't, and that's the beauty of it. It stays green. Again, we have only watered this field twice during the summer of a drought in high heat.
That's incredible.
Yeah. So what do you think, Jen? Are you coming on board?
I'm going to try it.
You're going to try it?
Absolutely. I have so many clients that ask for this.
All right. Well, you're not going to try it until we see the rest of this farm. Can you show us some of the operation?
I certainly can.
Let's have a look around.
All right.
So this is the machine that we harvest all our sod with. It has an automatic ski that keeps the machine in place. There's a cutter underneath that cuts the sod, then a chopper that cuts it off every 5 feet. The sod comes up this conveyor, and then it comes up and hits this trip. It gets rolled into a roll. From there, it goes onto the index tray that grabs and puts it on. Once it's on the pallet, it then comes off here on the back, and the pallet gets dropped down, and the crew comes along and moves that pallet out of the way.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.